What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have ourselves a little DIY kit. And woo-wee, that's nice and shiny. This is nice and shiny. It's big too. Woo. Now, I don't know, is this chrome? Definitely chrome, but this is very nice. Oh, I've never seen this before. This is interesting. All right. You have this right here. This is how you make your hole. So you got here the tire pressure. They give you a little razor, your own personal pliers for your car. You can go ahead and take that nail out. Just like, take that nail out, dig your hole, put in your tire patch, in which they give you a lot of them. Look at this. I have a lot of these, you guys, so not really worried about that. So we do have a stem remover, 4 caps right here, and all of your stems and all that good stuff. And unfortunately, I got a flat tire. All right, you guys, so the first thing we want to do is take the nail out of the tire. Oh, well, I think it broke off inside, which is not good. We're going to grab our spiral right here. There we go. It's coming. There we go. All right, we're going to take our tar. All right, make sure you half and half. All right. So we should be good. All right. All right. Do that. Make sure you halfway. Now we're going to put it in. All right. So they gave us a razor blade, and you can go ahead and cut. All right. And that's it right here. It tells you your tire pressure and all of that stuff. So as you can see, it says 32 PSI, 32 PSI. And then the spare tire is supposed to be 60 PSI. All right, so if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.